Myself Kamal Kamar. I am from CNC Machining Technician. I am telling about CNC machine. These are the control panel. These are the machine control unit. These are modes: edit mode, SPK mode, auto mode, MDI mode, MPG mode, job mode, ZRN mode. These are the modes of the machine. Edit mode to enter the program and execute. SBK mode, single block key to block by block. Auto mode to automatic mode. MDI mode, manual data input, one-time commands. MPG mode to access the move the turret. Jog mode to move the handle in turret to workpiece. ZRN mode, zero return, home position. Feed override to feed the workpiece. Rapid override to rapid turret. Spindle override to spindle feed the control. For example, spindle speed 1000 by 50 by 500 the speed. Thank you.